guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Mekalae here, and as you can tell by the title, today's video is a flexi rod tutorial. So if you'd like to know how I got these soft bouncy curls that only took 15 minutes for me to do, then keep on watching. So I personally like to do my flexi rod sets on blow dried hair because I feel as though that's what gives me the best results. And I'm going to give you guys a brief rundown of the products that I use for my blow dry and my wash really quickly. To shampoo my hair, I use the Keratin Reconstructing shampoo. And to deep condition my hair, I use the ORS or ORS Olive Oil Deep Treatment Conditioner with rice water and electrolytes. And I've been using this for months and it works like magic. And lastly, before I blow dry my hair, I use the Silk Infusion and also the Living Proof Full Thickening Cream. So to achieve my curls, I like to use two different styling products. This is one that I always use to do my flexi rods, and it's the Lottabody setting lotion. I know that they have a mousse as well, but I prefer this. I've tried the mousse and I feel as though this holds way better. I like to pair another like styling gel or a curl cream with my Lottabody, and the one that I'm using today is the Mielle honey and ginger styling gel. And also what you need to achieve my like ideal flexi rod set are these flexi rods. I have the purple ones from the beauty supply store. I'm not really sure what diameter they are, but I think this color like correlates with the size. I like to use smaller flexi rods as opposed to the bigger ones because I feel as though they hold a curl a lot better. Like when I use my bigger ones, the curls are looser so they drop faster. So I like to use this one because I feel like it holds up tighter and it makes the curls last a little bit longer. First, I'm going to section off my hair and I'm going to put it into two different sections. And then when it's up in like two halves, then I split the other half into two as well. And this doesn't have to be super perfect because the curls are going to come out good regardless. So now I have this section of hair back here, and this is like too big of a section, so I'm going to divide this section into two as well. Like I said before, it doesn't have to be super perfect, but try to make sure that they're even or equal in size. And when I feel satisfied with like the sizes, then I'll just clip the rest of this up to the top as well. So now that I have everything like separated and sectioned off, I put some of the Lottabody into a spray bottle and I put just about equal parts or a little bit more water than the Lottabody solution into a spray bottle, and I just like swirl it around. Now I'm just going to spray my hair, and I don't like to spray too much because I don't want my hair to revert. I spray like literally a little bit onto my hair, and I make sure I get the ends too. And then I'm gonna take my styling gel and I'm gonna take like a pump of this, just around this much. I wanna put it into my hair and work it all the way to the bottom. I like to move fast with this because I don't want my hair to start reverting. I'm gonna hurry up and take the flexi rod and I put it at my root and just start wrapping it around. And I do this really tight. And I wrap it all the way around the rod, and you want to make sure you're giving it a little bit of space in between each curl and not wrapping it directly on top. And I literally just tuck it under and then fold up the other side. If you notice, when I'm at the front, I'm curling away from my face. Now I'm going to repeat the same exact thing on the other side, and that's it. This is how they look. I don't really have like a specific technique as to how I like bend the flexi rods. I just try to bend them so that they can be as comfortable as possible, because I don't go under the dryer with these. I literally just put my bonnet on and go to sleep, and by the time I wake up they're dry. So yes, that's it. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm back with the takedown. Okay, so now my hair is fully dry and I'm gonna start taking it down now. Before I take my hair down, I like to use the Difeel or Different Feel 99% olive oil, and I'm just gonna put this on my fingertips basically, just to add shine to my hair and also to prevent frizz while I'm taking my hair down. So I'm gonna start with this one first, since I already like fell out since last night, and I just carefully unravel each one of them, trying to preserve the shape of the curl. All of them are down, I'm gonna put a little bit more oil on my hands, and then I'm just gonna start separating the curls a little bit. And when I separate them, I try to just basically follow the curl, if that makes sense. Like, I like to just break them apart where they would like naturally break apart, and then I just play around with it basically to see how much I want loose. And this is how they're looking on the very first day after I play around with them a little. They are gonna fall on their own, but it is gonna take a couple of days for them to fall, because I used the Lottabody that I showed you guys. That stuff will literally have your hair curled for a whole entire week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like to see more hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle type content, then make sure you subscribe. Bye!